everyone, today Dai Phuc Vinh will show you the power of the 6-sided CNC Drilling Machine HT-6SD-M2H. This is a specialized 6-sided automatic drilling machine for modern furniture factories. The entire panel is clamped once, and the machine drills all 6 sides in one process. No manual alignment, no measuring, everything is perfectly accurate according to the design. The dual-top drilling head allows simultaneous drilling at multiple points. Drilling speed reaches hundreds of holes in just seconds. It can drill vertically, horizontally, underneath, and groove in a single run. Perfect for cam holes, dowel holes, mortises, and precise joint grooves. The 3.5 kilowatts router head enables grooving, shaping, and edge detailing. Each part can be assembled immediately after drilling, with no extra adjustments. Hole deviation is almost zero, thanks to the high-precision CNC positioning system. Watch the smooth and stable movement of the X, Y, Z axes in every operation. The machine imports data directly from design software, no manual input needed. Easily connects to nesting cutters and automatic edge banders. Only one operator can replace up to 3 manual drill workers. The machine runs quietly, stably, with low power consumption and minimal maintenance. Imported drill heads and clamps ensure long life and easy replacement. All operations are clearly displayed on the smart touchscreen. Just select the file, place the panel, and press start. The machine does the rest. A perfect solution for kitchen, wardrobe, and industrial wood workshops. It optimizes productivity, reduces labor cost, and increases product precision. HT-6SD-M2H is the top choice for smart furniture manufacturing. Dai Phuc Vinh, your partner in the journey of production automation. Contact us now to experience the machine in action at our showroom.